Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to clone a ticket or issue here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cloning a ticket or issue here in Jira is a straightforward process, a useful feature that allows you to create a copy of an existing issue, and I find it very helpful when you need to create similar issues, test changes, and of course without affecting the original issue or replicate an issue for a different project or team. Now, once you have selected the issue that you wanted to clone, alright, ensure that you're logged into your Jira instance with the appropriate permissions to clone issues, because if you don't have the administrative privileges, you're not going to be able to do that. Alright, now here all you're going to do is go to the more button at the upper right corner where it says actions. There's usually represented by 3 dots as a part of a drop-down menu, the ellipsis. This button provides additional options for handling the issue, which is going to be clone. Okay, now you need to configure the clone settings. A dialog box will appear titled as clone issue. This box will allow you to configure the settings. Now, going to just, I don't know, it's up to you if you wanted to change the summary or the name or title. You have the you can include attachments if you wanted. You can also include the clone sprint value if you wanted. I'm just gonna select all of these for now. All the default, and of course click on clone. Now there's going to be a status box at the bottom. It says you can find the clone in issue link to Scrum by clicking on the link below, and that's how you clone a ticket or issue here in Jira. Again, it's a very easy process that when you do, of course, it helps in dividing a larger task into smaller actionable items, makes it easier to assign specific parts of the work to different team members and track their progress. I find it very useful because you can assign this to people. Right now you have restrictions. Obviously, you can put in the names of the people or multiple freelancers or clients if you're working with, so that they can test, and of course they can experiment with this specific task without affecting the original issue. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.